Namaste everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. Hi guys.
And namaste everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. The
Sanskari siblings.
Oh, we are back with a new video.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
ఇవాళ చేసే వీడియో ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్పెషల్ ఫర్ us.
అన్ని నువ్వే చెప్పాను నేను ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ పక్కెళ్తాను నేను.
Move this man!
It's called Down the Memory Lane. అంతే కదా పేరు? అంతేలే, దీనికి ఏం తెలియదు అనుకో. So it's like we are going to react to our childhood pics.
బచ్పన్ కే చిన్నప్పటి జ్ఞాపకాలు.
జ్ఞాపకాలు. Without delay, let's get into the video.
Okay, starting whatever we photo మేము చూసి రియాక్ట్ అవుతామో you will get it here or here somewhere. Okay, so that అందుకే కొంచెం సైడ్ కూర్చోండి. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ పిక్ we are going to react is this one. I don't know if you can see.
You will get it there.
Okay.
అతి ప్రేమ, too much love. I used to love my sister so much.
నార్మల్గా మమ్మీ డాడీ చెప్పారు, అమ్మ డాడీ చిన్నప్పుడు అంతా ఏదో నేను వాడు ఒళ్ళో కూర్చునే కానీ లేదా ఆడిన వాళ్ళు పడుకునేవాడు లేదా.
We were very attached.
అండ్ యూ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫోటో వాడికి బ్లాక్, అదే నాకు బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పెట్టారు, వాడికి వైట్ బోర్డ్ పెట్టారు. ఇట్స్ సంథింగ్
Contrasting, huh?
కాంట్రాస్టింగ్. ఇట్స్ సో క్యూట్ యాక్చువల్లీ, రైట్?
Yeah, you look like an apple.
ఐఎమ్ సో
Round.
బట్ దట్స్ సో క్యూట్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
Yeah, no.
అది మా నాన్నమ్మ మేము చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మా నాన్నమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళం. ఇట్స్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్, సికింద్రాబాద్, హైదరాబాద్.
Twin cities.
సో వీ యూస్ టు లివ్ దేర్ విత్ మామ్, డాడ్, నాన్నమ్మ, తాత. అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ మెమరీస్ అంటే
Yes.
Below 5 years.
Actually, I lived there for
more time, and
she was there for 1 year, if I'm not wrong.
I think 3 years.
No, 1 year.
Yeah, something.
When it was her second birthday, if I'm not wrong, we came to
Yeah.
Vizag.
Okay, now let's go to the next one.
So this is the next one.
Yeah, we'll get it there.
Coming about this one.
What are you wearing?
I was, that time
It's like a suit.
it's like a suit.
Blue blazer
It's
kind.
not a blazer. That salwar suit hota hai na?
And you have fake powder on your face.
My
all
mom
over.
used to like drench us, pour us, dip us, rotate us.
నేను
in
అమ్మ
powder.
అడిగితే అమ్మ ఎందుకమ్మా అంత పౌడర్ వేస్తానంటే షీస్ లైక్ చాలా వేడిగా ఉంటుంది, అలా రాస్తే నీకు ప్రశాంతంగా
చూడ్డానికి చాలా బాగుంటారంట.
అదే. ఓ గాడ్.
I was wearing that white salwar suit
Yeah.
or something. I don't know why I was sleeping.
I exactly don't
Maybe to
remember.
get into the pose with my sister.
అంటే
And all these pics are not, they are random.
Yeah,
Like,
candids,
Candids,
yeah.
literally.
I
At
don't
the moment.
remember this day like అసలు ఎప్పుడు.
It's just a night where we're going to sleep. That's it. It's a
Why
random
were you
pic.
so
That's my night dress, dude.
ఓ గాడ్.
It's
నాకు ఎందుకో చిన్నప్పుడు అంత గుర్తుండవు లైక్.
short-term memory loss. I told you earlier.
Okay, we'll go. This pic is our all-time favorite, I guess.
Yeah, one of my favorite pics.
favorite
Our
pics.
favorite pics. That has a
Yeah.
story for it.
Oh god, I don't know. This has mixed emotions right in it.
It's like my mom tells me till now. When she was a child, she always plays with not plays. She pulls it, flex it to ouch, all sort of things. So it's like her fun time. The most favorite thing she can do is pull my hair, and I used to enjoy it. It's not like we
Because I was a baby, because మేము అందుకే మనకి చిన్న
yeah.
we were like but it's so cute, you know.
And she in that pic, if you see, she's actually enjoying it. You can
I'm
see
so
it.
happy.
She's like grinning. Yeah, come on,
And
I got
even
it.
he's smiling, and our side cheyunnadi mama. She's my mom.
So these are small happiness.
But
dude.
that's one of her favorite pics till date.
Wow. This is a pic with me.
Actually, I never saw this pic before. Ee photos chaala vatuku we saw, but it is recent find.
Yeah, so this is a pic with me and my cousin, she's in my lap, అండ్
సంజు అక్క నాకు అక్క అవుతుంది.
దాని పక్కన గ్రీన్ కలర్ కవర్
ఇది మా అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు కదా, అమ్మమ్మ ఇల్లు కదా.
దట్ వాస్ ఫర్ భోగి ఇఫ్ ఐ నాట్ రాంగ్.
సంక్రాంతి అది బొమ్మలు పెట్టారు కదా,
అప్పుడే కదా భోగి ఉంటుంది, భోగిపల్లి పోసేది అప్పుడే కదా.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో దట్ వాస్ దట్. ఐ గెస్ షీ వాస్ 1 year if I'm not.
I was very మేము అక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మా కజిన్స్ అంటే అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ వైపు సంజు అక్క, నేను, రుషి అన్న,
we were the three, that's it.
Yeah, we were very close, but we used to enjoy a lot. వీడు ఒక్కడే అన్న, మేము ఇద్దరం చెల్లెళ్ళు వాళ్ళకి. నాకు అక్కకి 6 months తేడా, సంథింగ్ 6 months అనుకుంటా.
6 months exactly.
అండ్ ఓ గాడ్, ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ డిడ్ యు వేర్ us. మా చిన్నప్పటి ఫోటోస్ ఎక్కువ అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉంటే మా ముగ్గురికి కలిపి ఉంటాయి. యూ కెన్ సీ ఐ వాస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు త్రో సంథింగ్.
ఇట్స్ లైక్ కవర్.
అండ్ వీళ్ళిద్దరు కూడా అదే చూస్తే ఆ సీన్ ఏంటో మాకు గుర్తులేదు, కానీ they were good old times.
All are candid. That's the best part of it. It was nothing like stand, photo shoot, nothing.
And you see, we both were very.
And you know the best part? Those were the days were not DSL or something.
It was just
a real camera. You need to put a real negatives and all. It was fun, man.
You weren't caring, brother.
I'm proud of. Now, where is this? So, look at this. Lit.
This has a story behind it.
I guess you have the right to tell the story.
Okay, I have went for this healthy baby contest. Okay.
This contest is like it happens. I don't know whether it happens now, but in our childhood it used to happen, where doctors they check the height, weight of the baby and they decide whether
Perfect healthy baby.
It's a healthy. The more healthy you are, the award. Matlab healthy.
It's not chubby, fat, it's healthy.
Healthy.
No, weight, height, everything has to match appropriately.
Exactly.
And I won it twice or thrice, I don't remember.
I didn't win it once.
Line.
She won it thrice, and after coming to Vizag, she won it again.
Yeah. I love winning. You know, if I lose something, then kharab.
And this photo was one of the photos. I guess the second time, I don't remember. And this lady is some random person there.
And I'm so proud of myself. Oh God! Look at his face there. Like it's going somewhere. I don't know where, but
it happens, dude.
Okay, the next one.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at it.
Oh God.
I'll tell the story of this. So it's a tradition that when you have a child, after let's say 6 months, 1 year, they'll take to Tirupati తీసుకెళ్ళి guarantee. It says for better hair and all of these things and all. So this was the time when my sister got her gundu for the first time.
Right from when I was a tiny baby,
and,
beauty matters, looks matter to me.
And I'm with my mom and she's with my grandmother.
Nanama.
They both are quite well attached. My grandmom and she.
Nanama.
Close.
Jigri. She used to like me a lot.
Yes.
I don't know.
We had a great time because we used to live with our grandparents, right? We had all sorts of memories, fun.
It was great time then.
Oh, you should hear. Let's say the next photo is one of our favorite photos.
Yeah.
The brightest memory in our memory lane.
Oh, it's.
You'll get it there anyway. So this photo is the photo of us buying our first car.
It's yellow color Vegna.
I'll tell you the story. Till now, whenever we go to the showroom, the person who sold us the car, he tells it till now. She insisted on having a yellow car. The whole showroom knows it till now. Till now, whenever you go, anyone randomly in the showroom comes, she is the one who told you to buy this yellow car. And you know the best part, we used to bring cake especially for the car, for the birthday.
Every year we used to celebrate cake.
What is the day, bro?
March 3rd.
March 3rd, 2008.
I don't remember the date.
2008 if I'm not wrong.
Sorry. But every year cake తెచ్చి కట్ చేయించి అందరికి అపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఉంటాం కదా మేము
So,
అందరికి
give it
ఇచ్చేయాలి.
a-
It's like a party.
Whenever we used to go to a journey, right, at this car, we used to go on long journey. So what, my dad and my mom and the friend, the back seat belonged to me. There was a space in dicky where a child could sit. She used to sit in the dicky.
I love dicky. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో డిక్కీ అన్నారు, బ్యాక్ స్పేస్.
It's like, it's a boot.
Yeah.
The boot.
I love that. నేను అప్పుడప్పుడు అయితే మా అమ్మని నాన్నమ్మని తోసి
There was a time where my grandmother sat in the
for
boot.
me to enjoy with
And
me.
you know, when people used to increase in number, we both were there. And there was a time when we both and our 2 cousins were there. It was hell of a time in that car, dude.
They were real memories.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the
Apurupas.
second phase that we have our single photos. Like ఇద్దరు కలిపి ఉండవు ఉంటే కదా మాకు స్పెషల్ ఫోటోస్ ఉంటాయి ఎందుకన్నా మరి.
Now let's get into Apurupas photos.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so the first one, this you get it. This is with my daddy. And yeah,
He is a
unnoticeable.
daddy's little girl.
Yeah,
from
from-
way as I remember.
Yeah, from
Till
my
date,
childhood. It's like Papa
my-
Ki Pari, but not the memes wala Papa Ki Pari.
my dad loves her to the limit.
Yeah.
Whatever mischievous thing she does, no one is going to scold her. She's like, she's your sister.
But
she's
now
my
I'm
daughter.
getting scolded, huh?
Yeah, it's comparatively less. Yeah, no one tells you anything.
Yeah.
For anything, she is like, yeah, she's a child.
I find
yeah.
this photo
She's still a
so-
child after 19 years.
And it's honestly a family, so.
My dad seriously loves her.
Yeah, this photo has a lot of affection. Like you can see that.
You know, when it was in our childhood, she used to not even move from my dad inches away.
I was like that, okay, so close, man. Okay, the next one. This has a great story, guys.
We'll get it there anyways.
This is my mom beside me.
This, if I remember, was the photo where
Wait. If you see this photo, just comment down if you feel that I have lot of hair on my head, a pony at least itna wala, and I'm putting those flowers. You're wrong. ఈ ఫోటో స్టోరీ ఏం తెలుసా, గుండు చేయించే ముందు తిరుపతిలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మై మామ్ వాంటెడ్ టు టేక్ బిఫోర్ పిక్, నాకు హెయిర్ ఉన్నది
before and after.
కాలని అప్పటికప్పుడు షీ కెప్ట్ దోస్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఫర్ దట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా హెయిర్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అండ్ షీ టుక్ అ ఫోటో. బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో, ఐ ఫీల్ మై సెల్ఫ్ టు బి సో క్యూట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫోటో.
And it was damn cute. The way you're looking at the camera, man.
It was actually
You're
a
natural
selfie.
from your childhood, dude.
Kind of, I'm a model from,
It's not like model. She looks at camera like
see her
natural.
attitude, what a smile in me. You don't get all of it.
Oh really?
Okay, this photo,
It's special, dude.
it's so special. This is my tata,
My mother's
mom's-
father.
and he's expired, but
He was a great man.
he was maybe kind of strict sometimes with us.
Dude,
Very-
he was never strict. Let me tell you one thing. On face, he was never strict.
Yeah,
He is the most loving person you'll find on planet Earth. You know, when we stay in Vizag, just when we go to Hyderabad, he used to bring all the
The
things you can
sweet
eat in Hyderabad. Literally.
We love him a lot. అంటే మేము హైదరాబాద్ కి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాం.
Not just leave about food. You
Yeah,
just need to
everything.
ask. And the next one, that thing must be there.
Yeah, because we stay here. మా అమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇద్దరు సిస్టర్స్, పిన్నిస్ ఇద్దరు, పిన్ని బాబాయ్ వాళ్ళందరూ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉంటారు. So we are alone here, and oh god,
And
every
being
summer
that my
vacation.
mother is the eldest child of the
Yeah.
family, so we got a special attention.
Yeah,
Especially,
he
I am till date
so
the special.
God. But he should be
He loves
the
her
best.
a lot.
We always go for summer vacation. Even now, if summer vacation వస్తే we just pack our bags, chalo Hyderabad, because అక్కడ the environment
There's
is
something
so,
special to
yeah. And Tata was like, he used to get everything, right from pens, books to sweets, clothes.
everything.
We used to have makeup.
There was this one
right?
time I
Yeah.
remember, just that he was missing. He got a passenger train in general class and just came to Vizag
Because
and
he
stayed
had
with
no
us.
ticket, he wanted to see us, he came. And
It's quite fun. Dude.
when we were there, రోజ్
Special item.
స్పెషల్ అదే ఏదన్నామని అంటే ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్ గోల్గప్పే అవని, రబ్డీ అవని, you know, if you're from Hyderabad, you will
And we used to roam with him like hell, dude.
like, he was.
You know, some small walks.
And this cap which you're seeing, he used to wear every night before sleeping. I don't know
Till-
what is that, but
Till 68 years, if I'm not wrong, every day the cap, I guess the cap is with us somewhere.
He's
That
the
is made of this
sweetest.
wool, pure wool.
Yeah.
It was fun too.
he was the sweetest, and we really miss him a
A
lot.
lot, yeah.
We miss you, Tata. Yeah. Okay.
So
Oh,
that's
God.
my mother's father, and
Yeah.
this is
This
my
one-
dad's father.
This is my Tata, Nanamma Tata అంటే Nanamma Tata అని. You can see in the photo, I was crying.
So
hell
the
out.
thing is, from her childhood, she was largely for both grandparents. So in this photo, right, that was the time when she was going to get the gundu done. And they tell me now that after the gundu is done, she did not speak to my grandfather for 1 week itself.
Even though
Matlab,
he bought me chocolates.
He bought him her chocolates and all. She used to see like this and turn her face like this.
Attitude, yaar, पहले से बचपन से.
I
But
know.
look at the way I'm crying. That I'm crying my, everything out. That I want this hair, man. And he నాకు గుర్తు అమ్మ చెప్పింది ఇలా గట్టి పట్టుకుని కూర్చోబెట్టి చేయించారంట 1 week. బాగా
No talking.
కూర్చునే.
He used to get us chocolates and all this. They tell us,
I know.
we don't remember, but randomly, they tell us that we are.
I had the thing for looks, man. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి I wanted to be the most beautiful.
I think
The last one is I love. For people who don't know, I am a classical dancer. I have learned it for 10 years, 9 years something, but I had to leave it because of my studies, and I absolutely love dancing. Classical dance, I have my heart for
everyone
it.
knows that, dude. Please.
Oh god, this was in back in 8th, 9th, and I was so healthy then. But I was a good dancer according to my friends and family and my sir. I really miss dancing. I just want to go back to it. Let's go to his photos.
That legend, dude.
He has
Now,
such unique
The
photos.
most favorite pic of mine, personal till date, there's no pic that matches this pic. Even this day's photo shoot doesn't match.
He never has a photo shoot.
Story behind this pic is, you can see I'm holding a phone. It's not a phone actually, it was a landline handset. The shirt, t-shirt and the jeans was bought by my grandfather. So that was my first pair of shirt and jeans, officially. And at that time, it was a trend back then in the late 90s, in the early 2000s, it was a trend. And my grandfather, that is my mother's father, he bought me this. So this is a very, very special pic. I don't know why. I mean,
You know, some photos have that memories with you which you carry on.
when I was in my 10th, so we had this that we need to bring our childhood pics, and this is the pic. Out of all the pics I had, I just picked this. It is something special, dude. I don't know why it is special.
Happens.
There's something a lot.
He was a ladla to Ammamma's family చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి
Yeah.
because he's the eldest, the grandson maybe. I would say.
I was the only grandson for a
But
long
we
time.
all were equally, you know.
But I had a
taken
bit
care of.
extra, bro. You need to agree to it. Next pic.
I don't know why did he take that. I don't know why. What is
See, this is like I'm savage from my childhood.
monkey cap
Look,
sweater?
that time my mother and I used to have this like tonsils have this thing. So these people used to buy tickets in AC. Half an hour into the AC, I used to have cold, running nose and everything. They booked the ticket in AC, come back to non-AC just for me. Matlab, I couldn't handle cold. So when I was 10 or 12 years old, I got a treatment. Now
Such
it's
a
fine.
pose, man. It is only good for వాడు ఒక్కదాంట్లోనే పోస్ట్
It's like,
చేస్తాడు.
what is happening in this world? So we used to, this was done in 2nd class, so it was a lot of cold air coming. So my mom used to put this
Monkey
monkey.
cap.
I don't find this monkey cap these days, man. Back in our days, there was the trend. The sweater also, it's like rangila sweaters. And this is also one of my most favorite photos.
They
So,
both are.
This is my mom's youngest sister. Her
Pinny.
name is
Madhuri
Madhuri
Pinny.
Pinny.
Yeah.
I absolutely love her. There's no words to
He
explain how
loves
much I
her
love
so
her.
much.
And she loves me so
much.
till date. That affection is
Because
there.
వీడు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు పిన్ని వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మాధు పిన్ని దగ్గర అన్న పిన్ని ఇస్ సెకండ్ సిస్టర్ అమ్మకి బట్ ఇద్దరితో చాలా క్లోజ్ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో దీస్ టూ he has a special
And this
bond.
pic is that my pinny is asking me for a kiss. And I was like, no. Matlab, when I was in my childhood, my mom says they used to take care of me a lot. Way too much. Like literally, ladla. I still have a lot of affection with my pinny. Matlab, it's unspoken. We need not speak 24 hours, say that, I'll say this and that. It's
వాడు చిన్నప్పుడు చాలా అల్లరి చేసేవాడు అది ఏమి
my
తినేవాడు
mom
కాదు
stays.
అన్ని
She
vomiting.
used to eat food
I'm
very
very
well.
good when I was
I'm
small.
the most naughtiest. Now it's opposite.
I
He
never
doesn't
cried
eat.
for anything. I didn't ask. He should destroy every toy. I'm
My
a
mom,
very good child.
any toy they used to bring, next day it was finished.
But I'm proud.
And my sister in her childhood, she was so shy. Like, we used to live in an independent rent house when we came to Visakhapatnam. When someone was near the gate, she used to go down under the cot, hide somewhere in the corner. No, that person must come, Nana, Chinna, Bujji, come here, half an hour, 1 hour, then she'll come out.
But now it's total opposite. But whatever we share as a brother and sister, it's so
Special dude.
definitely. I feel.
From childhood, you were affectionate, dude.
But we never అంటే అలా చూపించుకోలేము అబ్బా నువ్వు నాకు ఇది we never
The way
speak.
we show our love and affection is we fight.
We fight, we do it in things, sharing things, everything. But
Randomly, yesterday I remember, we were watching some web series and Nietzsche, we were like boxing. My dad is like, why are you two fighting? And we were laughing like mad people.
it happened. I guess every brother and sister can relate. I know this video is a little bit long. We just wanted to, bring
Quarantine
go
brings back memories.
Yeah, we just
A lot of memories, dude.
And we love all our family, be it on the mom's side or dad's side, because mom and
Like, matlab,
dad. Yeah.
accordingly, not her, but I spent a lot of my childhood with my cousins, my aunt, my uncle.
Yeah, అది కాకుండా అమ్మ డాడీ ఎప్పుడు మేడ్ షూర్ దట్ వి వర్ ఇన్ టచ్ విత్ ఫ్యామిలీ
Family,
మెంబర్స్
yes.
లైక్ అన్ని
Not
చెప్పారు
only that, my Nanamma sisters, my
Yeah.
Amamma sisters,
Everyone,
we all had a great connection. Because everyone, till date, around 80% of family lives in Hyderabad. So small occasion in Hyderabad
We have to
means
do it. Yeah.
done.
And we are thankful we got such a beautiful
Full family, yeah,
yeah.
people loving, caring, and
We
all.
never say that, but we do.
We mean it here.
Yeah. So I guess you all enjoyed this video. It was just
We
a small.
feel a bit of nostalgia as usual.
Yeah. And yeah, if you, as usual, the drill goes. If you like this video, love this video, then
Like,
share, comment,
subscribe.
yeah, comment,
yeah, comment.
and please subscribe, guys. One subscribe means a lot to us.
और yeah, घंटी बजाना मत भूलो.
And do ping us if you want to know any, give any suggestions regarding the videos. You'll get an Instagram handle here somewhere. And that's it for today's video. Let's meet in
Meet you
the
in
next
next video.
guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Ciao.